Well, here we are at Frank Raines. I'm just seeing kind of where the car is supposedly located. Somewhere down in this ravine is the car. It sounds like it's down into this ravine, but I can't see the car because it's too steep and deep. So I just got confirmation. He was going up this trail here trying to make that hairpin, made a mistake and rolled it off the side here down into this steep ravine. Boys, getting ready to fall around and see how it goes. That's where he rolled right there, that hairpin down in that ravine. Yes. So this ravine's really deep here, and I've gotten to a point where I can just barely see the back of the car over there. I'll try and zoom in. You can kind of see it's shiny, that shiny bit over there. Well, that's the car. Can't get to it until we get the bulldozer here, and we're gonna have to climb down the snatch straps, I think, to line them up with the car, pull it out. But hopefully it'll come out in one piece. All right, so here we go. This is how steep it is. There's the guys on dirt bikes right above the ravine. And there's the car right down in the bottom of the ravine. It took a while for me to climb through the brush to even get to here where I can see the car. And now we're gonna have to figure out how to get a snatch strap on that with the bulldozer. Wish us luck.
There you go. Thanks. Got it, guys.
And I think is this your sweatshirt?
That's mine.
Oh. I can jump out.
Yeah, well, you always jump here.
Wow, man, that is really fucking steep.
Okay, there you go.
All right.
We hear brakes coming at us.
All right. Bill, Chad, smile for the camera. I will be putting together a video for this. Guaranteed.
Put it on Friends of Frank Raines Park, please.
Okay.
On Facebook.
I'm gonna do a GoPro quick on this one. It's Al, right? Al. Ollie's up the hill.
Right now, you guys are gotta. We need somebody watching it too.
Yeah, I need eyes on the
Gotta get an
ball.
eye on it, right?
Where can I go, Bill?
Get out of the way of the seat. Get up here. Somebody get it.
cables.
That's what I'm saying. You know? Yeah.
You can hear that cable. Clear. Gotta steer clear of that.
Go ahead. That shit. Go.
Steer clear of that cable, man. You're too close to it. You're too close to that cable, Al. Way too close, in my opinion. It weighs 10,000 pounds, he's saying. The car's only 4. It's going, huh? It's coming? It's coming. Cable scares the shit out of me. Maybe I'm being a pussy about it, but you tell you what, I don't. Oh yeah, and you're in deep shit. That's bad. You might be dead. Yeah. You'd be done. Oh, thank you. Thanks for all your help, by the way, Kyle. Really appreciate it.
Oh, you okay, Roy?
Are you okay?
Alright? Yeah.
Oh, it's coming up. Slowly coming up. Holy shit.
Come towards you guys.
Watch out over there.
Come towards you.
Yeah, I'm past it.
I'm going to keep calling towards you.
Whoa.
You okay, Roy?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You good, Roy?
I'm fine.
Somebody got that other
Wait a minute, guys. Okay.
Good?
Yeah. Got my foot out.
Yeah, Roy got a bunch of pictures. Somebody get some pictures of it coming up.
Yo, I got a video.
I started following.
Don't worry. I'll put together an edited video of this. Yeah. Look how great we are at hauling cars out of gangs. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, you know, he's really pissed. He didn't have it fucking running. Yeah, he was really upset about that, I'll tell you. He wanted that on video, of course. Right? Keep going. Probably just keep going, right?
Hey, are we ready down here?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're above it. Go ahead.
You're not. Yeah, stay, steer clear. Yeah.
Front tire on that. Rear tires on that. Hold what you got. Stop.
I would say keep going, but no.
What's that?
It's steering wheel loose. Let Bill lower it and get it spun on the road.
Found one of the tires flat.
Oh yeah, big ol' puncture.
Yeah. It's on the road. We're going to untie the steering wheel. Have Bill pull it forward just a little bit and lower it back to us.
Steer it up the hill. Yeah.
No.
Yeah, I'm not real comfortable where I'm at right now. But
Here. Grab some of this shit.
oh, let's just leave it in there for now.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm trying to go up the hill or trying to go downhill with the gas down.
Yeah.
You're gonna pull forward first?
Yeah.
We'll let it down a little bit.
So you want
Yeah.
to
And then pull it forward.
So go the other way first. The key's in it, turn it on.
Oh no, that's right.
Steering.
You need it. We need it to come down this way so we can go up the trail. Yeah, yeah.
Cable is basically being held up by that.
Why don't we turn the wheels this way? Have Bill
Yes.
see if we can just back it down.
Yeah, yeah. I agree.
I'll pull forward.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Back.
Pull forward and be ready for a stop.
No, not forward. Back.
No, back it down. Back it down. Back it down. Back it down. No, no. Backwards. Let it down first.
Let it down.
You want it to back up,
Yeah.
let it down
Slow.
Like 6 feet. 6 to 8 feet.
Everybody come over here and push.
We're in a ditch over here. That's the.
I think it's
Keep
gonna.
going. Keep going.
Yeah. Careful.
Keep going back just a hair.
It's a flat tire. Wait a minute, let me get down next to you.
I know. It's got to get up over that berm over here.
Hold tight up there, Wally.
Okay. We go back slow.
We can go back a little bit more, right?
Should settle down.
Give me a little
Hey.
backward.
Get out of the way.
Yeah, I'm getting out of the way.
Hang on that front.
Give me a little bit back. I'm trying to set it down the road.
Somebody go around and set the brake.
Does it have a parking brake?
Yeah, it does. It's got an e-brake. We can set that.
Somebody get in that motherfucker and back it down the hill.
All right, I'll get in.
We made it.
Oh boy. Backing that thing down